So this abstract, I think, is really a very innovative approach, a different way to look at myeloma in terms of like data and how we can use them to interpret outcome and clinical trials. So during my presentation, I was asked, these genomics data are fantastic, but as clinician, we will never see them. We don't believe we never see them. Or like, this is something you keep hearing from clinicians and trialists. They say, you do an amazing job, but it's kind of like useless because we will never see them. Well, the answer is this abstract, where we analyzed almost 2,000 patients with individualized multiple myeloma with available clinical, therapeutic, genomic, and demographic features. So we integrate more than 160 features in a model that is run through deep learning. And the model basically predicts the individualized risk for each patient. So you have tomorrow have a patient in your ambulatory coming, Mr. Smith, and you say, Mr. Smith, good morning. This is your genomics, this is your age, this is your ISS, this is your like clinical features. And using all this, I put this in the model, and the model say that your risk at 5 years is going to be 70% to be alive in remission if you do transplant, but it's going to be 50% if you don't do transplant. So probably you should get transplant. What do you think? So that's the way in which the model is built. The model is not perfect, but compared to the current existing model, there is like a massive difference in terms of accuracy. Like it's incredible how much we outperform the other models. And the idea is that the model predicts according to what you get into the model. So if I put treatment in the model, type of treatments, the model will be able to predict those treatments. If I don't have them, the model will not predict them. So as I said at the end of the presentation, the model is just the beginning of a journey. We need the community to get engaged, provide data, samples, work together with the cooperative group in order to get more treatment, more new treatment, and able to improve our prognostication and individualized prediction. And that's, I think, the only way to develop what everybody says is precision medicine, but no one does right now in multiple myeloma.